We are all coming back to the wisdom of the earth. Looking more deeply at the wisdom of nature. She is calling us home. The death of the old to make way for the new. The ebb of the seasons, inviting us inside ourselves and then back out again. We are remembering what being human is. Not competition, accumulation, or scarcity, but compassion, resilience, and co-creation. We are earth creatures, earth children. We need no special training, no certifications to connect with the earth, the plants, to garden, to make medicines. It is in us, just like creativity is in us. It is who we be. It is in our bones, our blood, our ancestry, our DNA. It is our birthright to love the earth and for her to love us. We are medicine makers. And we are the medicine. The grateful stewards of this earth. The magic makers. The brothers and sisters. The teacher and the student. The earth tenders, and the humble listeners. The most awakened, compassionate, and loving human beings this earth has ever seen. This is who we are.